Welcome to an in-depth look at the Riba Code of Practice. Riba stands for the Royal Institute of British Architects. It is the professional body for architects in the United Kingdom. Riba sets 4 professional ethical standards and rules of professional conduct, which is a framework that regulates the architects' relationships. Let's talk about timeline showcased key milestones of Riba's journey. As the UK's leading architectural institution, highlighting its establishment, royal recognition, and ongoing commitment to supporting architects. In 1913, the Royal Institute of British Architects was founded to serve as professional body representing architects in the United Kingdom. In 1971, Riba was granted its royal charter, officially recognizing and formalizing its role within the architectural profession. As 2024, Riba continued to support architects to education, accreditation, advocacy, and public engagement in fields of architecture. One of the most important frameworks established by Riba is the Riba Code of Professional Conduct 2021, which is based on 3 main principles. Principle 1, integrity. Principle 2, competence. Principle 3, relationships. Let us explain with an example how the materials are arranged in the code. We mentioned that the code includes 3 principles: integrity, competence, and relationships. Each principle includes its components, which are known as headings. And each heading includes a number of duties. These duties are specific and mandatory provisions, and any violation of them will result in a punishment or a special warning for the offender. Below each duty, if necessary, there is a guidance note that explains the duty and helps professional practitioners understand it better and more clearly. Principle 1, integrity, means that an architect's work must be characterized by honestly, impartially, without misleading others or accepting improper influence, while respecting confidentiality and the law. Which mean in simple terms, an architect must be trustworthy. Principle 2, competence, means that an architect must be properly qualified, keep professional knowledge up to date, deliver work to a high standard, understand technical, legal, and professional responsibilities. Principle 3, focuses on professional relationships. It ensures that architects interact fairly and respectfully with colleagues, employees, clients, society, and the professional market. Integrity includes 7 heading. 1. Impartiality and undue influence, which means architects must act objectively and not be influenced by personal, financial, or political pressure. 2. Statements. Make sure that architect makes truthful and accurate statements and avoid misleading information. 3. Conflicts of interest. Architects must declare any conflict of interest that could affect their professional judgment. 4. Confidentiality and privacy. Architects must protect the confidentiality of client and project information. 5. Handling client money, which means architects must manage client money honestly and responsibly where applicable. 6. Bribery and corruption. Architects must not engage in bribery or any form of corruption. And 7. Criminal conviction/disqualification. Explains that architects must comply with the law and avoid criminal behavior that could damage the profession. Competence includes 14 heading. 1. Skill, knowledge, care, and ability means architects must maintain appropriate professional skills and expertise. 2. Terms of appointment by clearly architect define their role, responsibilities, and services. 3. Time, cost, and quality, by managing them responsibly in projects. 4. Keeping the client informed, by regularly updating clients on project progress. 5. Record keeping. Architects must keep clear and accurate records of decisions and actions. 6. Health and safety, which is the most priority in work. 7. Inspection services. Architects must properly carry out site inspections and professional oversight. 8. Building performance by ensuring buildings perform effectively and as intended. 9. Heritage and conservation means architects must respect and protect historic and heritage buildings. 10. Town and country planning. Architects must comply with planning regulations and policies. 11. Law and regulations. Means working in accordance with relevant laws and regulations. 12. Certification. Architects must issue certificates honestly and accurately. 13. The environment. By taking into consider environmental impact and sustainability. 14. Community and society. Architects must act responsibly towards society and the public interest. Last principle includes 12 heading. 1. Copyright. Architects must respect intellectual property rights. 2. Previous appointments means architects must respect the work of previously appointed architects. 3. Peer by treating colleagues with professionalism and respect. 4. Equality, diversity, and inclusion. 5. Modern slavery, which means not support or be involved in exploitation or forced labor. 6. Employment and responsibilities as an employer. Architects must act fairly and legally toward employees. 7. Competitions. By participating in competitions honestly and ethically. 8. Complaints and dispute resolution. Architects must have clear procedures to deal with complaints. 9. Advertising business names and use of Riba crest and logo truthfully and correctly. 10. Insurance means architects must maintain appropriate professional insurance. 11. Non-disclosure agreements. Architects must respect confidentiality agreements. And 12. Whistleblowing means architects should report serious misconduct responsibly. In conclusion, Riba exists to guide architects toward being ethical, competent, and responsible professionals. Integrity ensures honesty and transparency. Competence ensures knowledge and professional quality. And relationships protect trust and respect within the profession and society. Together, these principles form a practical framework that guides architectural practice at every stage. From working with clients to contributing positively to the built environment.